Hello my dear friends, welcome to Toppscholars. Today we'll be discussing about physical properties of metals and non-metals. The first physical property is the physical state. All metals exist in the solid state at room temperature, that is at ordinary temperature. However, there are certain exceptions. And what are the exceptions? Yes, mercury and gallium are the metals which exist in the liquid state at room temperature. The next physical property is lustre. And what does lustre mean? Lustre simply means shine. That is, metals have a shiny appearance, right? If you look at any metallic object, its surface is quite shiny, which means that metals exhibit lustre. They also have a characteristic color. Now, if you look at silver utensils, right, they have a shiny appearance. Similarly, gold has a brilliant shine, because of which it is widely used in making ornaments in jewelry. The next physical property is hardness. And as we know, metals are hard. However, there are certain metals which are soft, and these are sodium and potassium, which are the exceptions. Sodium and potassium are soft metals. You can easily cut sodium using a knife. Friends, in the exams, you need to remember the exceptions very well. So remember, the metals which are not hard are sodium and potassium. They are soft metals. The next physical property is ductility. And what do we mean by ductility? Ductility is the property by which a metal can be easily drawn into wires. And this property is exhibited by metals. Metals can be easily stretched into thin wires. For example, copper wires. Copper wires are widely used in electric cables, right? And copper is a metal. To learn more about this topic, download Toppscholars app.